Carol S. Dweck's mindset. The New Psychology of Success explores the concept of mindset and its profound influence on personal and professional growth. Through research and practical examples, Dweck introduces two primary types of mindsets, the fixed mindset and the growth mindset. The book demonstrates how these mental frameworks shape our behaviors, relationships, and achievements. Fixed mindset versus growth mindset. A fixed mindset assumes that abilities, intelligence, and talents are static traits. People with this mindset avoid challenges, fear failure, and shy away from feedback as they see setbacks as a reflection of their inherent limitations. Conversely, a growth mindset embraces the belief that abilities can be developed through effort, learning, and persistence. Those with a growth mindset view challenges as opportunities for improvement, welcome feedback, and perceive failures as stepping stones to success. The impact of mindset. Dweck explains how mindset influences various aspects of life, including education, sports, business, and relationships. For example, students with a growth mindset tend to achieve more because they focus on effort and learning rather than simply proving their intelligence. In contrast, students with a fixed mindset may plateau or underachieve because they fear making mistakes. In sports, Dweck highlights athletes like Michael Jordan, whose success was driven by relentless practice and a growth-oriented attitude. In business, she contrasts companies that thrived through innovation and adaptability with those that stagnated due to rigid thinking. Relationships also benefit from a growth mindset. Dweck argues that individuals with a fixed mindset may view conflicts as a sign of incompatibility, whereas those with a growth mindset see them as opportunities to deepen understanding and strengthen bonds. Cultivating a growth mindset. The book emphasizes that mindsets are not immutable. Dweck provides actionable advice for developing a growth mindset. Acknowledge your fixed mindset. Triggers. Identify situations where you feel defensive or resistant to change. Reframe challenges as opportunities. Focus on the process of learning rather than the fear of failure. Embrace effort and persistence. Value hard work and perseverance as pathways to mastery. Learn from criticism and feedback. Use constructive criticism as a tool for improvement. Celebrate growth in others. Support and applaud the success of peers to reinforce a collaborative, growth-oriented environment. Practical applications. Dweck's insights are applicable in various domains. Teachers and parents can foster a growth mindset in children by praising effort and resilience rather than innate ability. Leaders can build innovative and resilient teams by encouraging curiosity, learning, and adaptability. Individuals can unlock their potential by shifting their focus from proving their worth to continually improving themselves. Mindset is a transformative book that challenges readers to examine their mental attitudes and embrace the power of growth. By adopting a growth mindset, individuals can cultivate resilience, achieve their goals, and lead more fulfilling lives. Dweck's message is clear. Our mindset profoundly shapes our experiences, and with conscious effort, we can change it for the better.